In this video, we're going to talk about cell formatting. Now, cell formats are separate from the actual contents of the cell. So when you format something and erase over it or type something new in it, it'll actually take the format of that cell. So remember, those are separate. On the ribbon, there's a dedicated group to formatting numbers. Now, there's a few options that are commonly used. Now we can go deeper into it by clicking the little button in the corner called the dialog box launcher. There are a couple more options to get to format cells. One is the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl 1, and that will open format cells. And I can also right click the cell and choose format cells. I'm going to click on the button on my ribbon to open the dialog box. Now we have a number here, about 137,000. And right now it's a general format, so it doesn't have any commas. The decimal points are maybe not where you want it. So I'm going to select number now. And I'm going to use a 1000 separator and also adjust the number of decimal places. And the nice thing about this, it gives you a preview of your exact data. So you can tell exactly what it's going to do. We have options for formatting for negative numbers as well. So I'm going to click OK at this point. Now for the next two, we're going to use the ribbon. Now these are common ones that are actually available right on your home tab in the number group. Now I'm going to click the drop down and choose currency. Now for the next cell, we're going to select it and again use the drop down up top and choose accounting this time. Now you can notice the difference immediately. You see that $sign is lined up differently when you look at currency versus accounting. Moving on to the date format, I'm going to open the format cells dialog again, and I'm going to click on date. Now, depending on where you're from and also your personal preference, you may select a different format than I do, of course. So you can see there's quite a bit of options, and you can just choose the one you want to put in the cell. At this point, I'm ready to commit to the change, so I'm just going to click OK. Moving on to time. Now I'm going to open the dialog box again, so I can change to a different time format. So on the left, I have a category, time, and then I'm going to select a different time format. So I shall select this one here, and then click OK. Now moving on to percentages. Percentages are a pretty common one, so they have a button on our number group. So I'm just going to click on %, and now it's formatted. Now the last one, I'm going to go back into the dialog box. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to right click it and choose format cells. Now the phone number is actually under the special category. And also note there's zip code and social security number here as well. And I'm going to choose phone number. Now that I've clicked on phone number, I'm just going to click OK. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.